Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going green with 3 avocado weight loss recipes. So let's dive in. Wait! Before starting avocado recipe video, we introduce you with Alpalian, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Avocado and grilled chicken wrap. We're starting with an avocado and grilled chicken wrap that's not only flavorful but also perfect for a healthy lunch or dinner. Lay out a whole grain tortilla and spread a dollop of Greek yogurt or low-fat sour cream. Layer with grilled chicken slices, ripe avocado slices, red bell peppers, and red onion. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves, a squeeze of lime juice, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Roll it up, and it's ready to enjoy. It's a flavorful and satisfying wrap that's perfect for a nutritious meal on the go. Recipe 2. Avocado and spinach smoothie. For a quick and nourishing breakfast or snack, try our avocado and spinach smoothie. Blend ripe avocados with fresh spinach, a banana, Greek yogurt or almond milk for creaminess, and honey or maple syrup for sweetness if desired. Add ice cubes and blend until smooth. It's a creamy and nutrient-packed smoothie that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Avocado and chickpea salad. Let's finish strong with a refreshing and satisfying avocado and chickpea salad that's packed with plant-based protein. Simply combine the diced avocados, cooked chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, and red onion in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. It's a colorful and nutritious salad that's perfect for a light and satisfying meal. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpalian? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.